Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your Baseus VO20. So let's get started with open the application. Also I recommend to install this application to enable some feature here. And the first one top trick that you can change your sound experience by changing equalizer mode. So choose the best one for you. As you can see I have a vocal mode, but you can also use another one and it will change your sound experience. Next one, we can customize this LED light. So we can of course disable it, but we also have 3 presets right here. So default one, smart, and the custom one. And you can change the brightness, you can change the light dynamic, a color of course, it's up to you. You can also disable it if you don't need the LED light. Also this speaker have TVS mode, so you can connect 2 speakers to your phone and use it. You can enable in the application or also with a gesture. Just press 3 times at the EQ button and you will have it. Also you have buttons here and you can do a lot with this button. You don't need to customize it like in some devices. You have everything here. You have a volume control, you can swap music. You can change LED light with this gesture, we have a special button for it. We can also, as I said, activate this TVS mode by pressing 3 times here. We can also, if you have some trouble with your speaker, we can reset it by press 5 times on this multifunctional button. That's it, thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!